Hey there, Madison, it's Monday again. Today, it's nice, but it's blustery outside. Now, there's something that you need to know. I kind of go to Hogwarts. Now, I know this sounds far-fetched, but let me provide you with the evidence and then you can decide for yourself. It's pretty conclusive. Now, I'll warn you, I can't prove everything with footage, because I didn't really want to become that girl that films people while they're studying within the first couple weeks of school. I'll become that creepy later, just not right now. We'll start with the fact that I go to school in a castle. Like a castle-y castle. With hallways like this, and stairwells like this, and other things like this, and this, and this, and this. That might be weak. There's lots of schools that look like castles. Even my elementary school looked like a castle. But let me move on. Now, from what I know about Hogwarts, in between the men's dormitory and the women's dormitory, there is a common room for all of the people from that area. In my school, it is exactly the same. There is a common room in between the men's and women's dormitories. Getting a little stronger, right? Next, the people who go to my school are divided into four main groups. First, the people that live in the old dorm building. Second, the people that live in the newer dorm and apartment building. Third, the people that live in the other apartment building. And fourth, the commuters. 4 houses? Yeah. Another thing we enjoyed this year was a tournament where a number of different groups competed. You know what the prize was? A goblet. I attend a school beside a forbidden forest. Okay, it's not forbidden, it's actually pretty welcoming. It has paths like this, but then those paths lead into paths like this, and then like this, and those are kind of foreboding, I guess. That's kind of like forbidden. And I mean, you can't prove there aren't man-eating spiders and unicorns in there, can you? So, conclusive. And lastly, we have a place called the Great Hall. It looks like this. Yeah. So I think that that's all pretty solid information, and the only logical conclusion we can draw from it is that I attend Hogwarts School of Witchcraft and Wizardry. Boom. In related news, have you heard that J.K. Rowling is teaming up with the Warner Brothers to create a Magical Beasts and Where to Find Them movie? I need to remember to keep calm and not expect too much, but I am absolutely thrilled at the idea of another movie from the Potterverse coming out. If you're unaware, the concept is that it will be about Newt Scamander, the author of Magical Beasts and Where to Find Them, and his adventures as he looks for magical beasts and presumably learns where to find them. Plus, it's J.K. Rowling's screenwriting debut, so I'm excited. Whether it's good or bad, I'm just looking forward to seeing it. On a non-Harry Potter related note, this week has gone pretty awesome. I'm getting into my classes and I'm reading some cool stuff. A bunch of people from my school all went out to camp this weekend for 3 days and we bonded and had lots of fun. Benefits of going to a small university. And I hope that you're getting lots of reading done and that you're having lots of fun, and I will see you on Thursday. Plus, it's J.K. Rowling's screenwriting debut. Debut. That's a word.